everybody, and welcome to Marvelous Crafts Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you one easy winter DIY. I started with one of these snowflakes you can get from the Dollar Tree, and also some stems I purchased off of Amazon. But you can do this with any type of dowels that you can get from the Dollar Tree. You can just cut them, or even some sticks that you can find in your backyard. As you can see, I'm just laying out the pattern of the snowflake here. You can also do this design without the actual snowflake, but it just made it easier to lay out the pattern. And then once I have my pattern, I go ahead and I start to hot glue those down. For the shorter pieces of the snowflake, I had to cut the dowels down, and I just used my shears that I usually use to cut flowers with, and then I just kind of sanded off the edges there with my finger sander. And I'm just going to continue to glue all of those down into place. This is really a versatile project. You can kind of also use ribbon or twine or anything that you want to embellish the snowflake, so you're not limited to just the stems. Once I have everything in place, I'm going to just take some simple chalk paint in white and just dry brush over everything using a little chippy brush here. And this is what it looks like once I'm done with the dry brushing. Then I'm going to come in with one of these little snowflakes that I purchased in a pack of the Make Your Own Ornaments. I believe I got these ones from Michael's, but you can get those from any of the Dollar Tree. They had those there too. So I'm just using what I had left over from Christmas. And I'm actually using the twine that came in with the packs here. And I'm just outlining the snowflake with the twine. So as you can see, I just used what I had left over. So it's always good to hold on to your scraps. Don't throw them away, because you never know what you can use them for in different types of projects. So I'm just outlining each of the little, I guess, what do you call them? The stems of the snowflake, or like I don't know what you call them, but anyway, you see what I'm doing. You see the process here, and I'm just going to kind of let you watch this. And friends, I've been a little MIA recently. December has been a very busy month for me, and so I haven't really been crafting a lot. I did some crafts for Christmas, but I didn't make any videos. But in the new year, I plan to increase my amount of craft videos, so hopefully all of my sweet subscribers will stick around, and any new subscribers, if you'd like to join me, we will have lots of fun things in 2024. I hope that everybody had a wonderful Christmas holiday, and I'd like to take this time to wish you all a happy new year. But I just wanted to come out and put this one simple project out to give you some inspiration for some winter decor as we transition things from Christmas into winter, and then we'll be up for Valentine's Day crafting as well. For the smaller pieces of the snowflake, I just kind of cut down the twine there, as you could see, and I just cut them down to fit and then glued them on. Then I came in with my chippy brush again, and I'm trying to dry brush some white paint onto it, but that was pulling up my twine pieces, so I came in with a smaller brush here, and that gave me better coverage without pulling up the twine and me having to re-hot glue them down onto the snowflake. And I just cut off the excess there, and then I'm also going to come in with some Distress Oxide ink and just kind of give it a little bit more rustic appeal to it. For my winter decor, I like to keep things a little rustic. So then I'm going to take our smaller snowflake, and we're going to add it to our larger snowflake here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that and just put hot glue on the points in the center, and then also the points in the end. And we're just going to attach that there. And then I come in to reinforce it with a little bit more hot glue. And this is the finished product. I just displayed it on a little shelf I have in my bedroom, and I like the warmer tones for the winter time. So as you saw, I have a little brown little Christmas tree there. Well, it's not a Christmas tree, it's just a brown tree for winter that I displayed this with, and I just love the way this turned out. And you can add this to a wreath or just a simple display on your home, or if you want to add it to a wall. But thank you so much for watching, and tune in 2024 for more projects.